Hi there. In today's mini episode of Don't Be a Dumbass, don't do as I do, I have to share with you that how important it is to put the right spark plugs in your car, the ones without a resistor. So I've been messing around with hard to start and intermittently, all of a sudden, like the darn thing wouldn't start at all by surprise, or very hard starting hot. And this issue came and went. And now that I've got a set of plugs in there that a viewer, one of you guys, shared with me, because I had a hard time finding the old-fashioned copper plugs without a resistor. And he gave me the tip of going with an NGK BP6ES 7811. Here it is. That would be the one. Good old-fashioned copper plug. It's all installed, and I'll show you the result of how easy it is to start now. Hold on. So here we go. Unbelievable. The darn thing cranks right up. No fuss, no muss. Alright. So, there you have it. Even so-called people in the know can goof up royally, and I'm no different. Good luck, happy trucking, happy driving. Keep the old goodies on the road. Bye.